We are going to discuss even function and odd function. Okay, what is even function and what is an odd function? We know something about the functions, right? So whereas coming to even and odd, okay, a function f is said to be even. A function f is said to be even function if f of minus x is equals to f of x for all x, and it is mentioned as odd function if f of minus x is equals to minus f of x for all x. Just look there. A function is said to be even if f of minus x is f of x for all x, whereas it is mentioned as odd if f of minus x is equals to minus f of x. So when you replace, when your input is minus x, and if you observe the output, if that output is directly equals to f of x, we say it as even, and if it is equals to minus f of x, we call it as odd, or otherwise we call it as neither even nor odd function. Okay, right. So a function f is said to be even if f of minus x is f of x, and odd if f of minus x is equals to minus f of x. Otherwise we call f as neither even nor odd function. Neither even nor odd function. Okay, let us see some examples here. Okay, coming to b. For suppose I will take a function and I am going to check whether it is even or odd. Okay, right. For suppose f of x is equals to x power 4. F of x is equals to x power 4 plus 3, if I say, for suppose. Right. We need to check whether it is even or not. So how to check? To check whether it is even or not, we need to replace x with minus x. F of minus x is equals to, we need to replace x with minus x. Minus x to the power 4 plus 3. Replace x with minus x. Right. Minus x to the power 4. What you say? Minus to the power 4. Negative number to the power even number is always positive. So minus to the power 4 is still positive, and we have x power 4. So this is equals to x power 4 plus 3. So x power 4 plus 3 is simply nothing but f of x again, right? So f of minus x is equals to f of x. Since f of minus x is f of x, we say this particular function f is even function. An example for the even. Okay. So for suppose if you wish to check an example for the odd function, let us take some other function with different name. Okay. Some g of x is equals to, you may take some tan x for suppose. G of x is equals to tan x. And to check whether our g is even or odd, we need to replace x with what? We need to replace x with minus x. So for that I will start with g of minus x. Replacing x with minus x means tan of minus x. And we are very familiar with this trigonometric transformation, trigonometric conversion. Tan of minus x is simply minus tan x, and that is minus g of x. Just have a look. G of minus x is equals to minus g of x. Okay, here at the end what we have? G of minus x is equals to g of x. So we say that g is odd function. So we have some even functions, some odd functions like that. Okay. For suppose if you take some other function. Okay, what I will say? Some h of x is equals to, just look there, I will give you some function. Okay. You may take some 2 power x. H of x is equals to some 2 power x. What will happen? I need to check whether this function is even or odd like that. So as a part of discussion, what I need to take? I need to take h of minus x. H of minus x is 2 power minus x. 2 power minus x is 1 by 2 power x. but this 1 by 2 power x is not equals to h of x, as well as this is not equals to minus h of x. So since h of minus x is not equals to h of x as well as not equals to minus h of x, we say this h of x is neither even nor odd function. So just have a look. So if you have a function, then we have a chance to check whether it is even or odd or neither even nor odd function. Okay, right. So how to check? Just you replace x with minus x. Just you replace the variable of the function with the minus of that variable. If your result is like f of minus x is equals to f of x, we say it as even. Whereas f of minus x is equals to minus f of x, that f is mentioned as odd. Right? Very simple. Have a look. So now we just learnt about even and odd functions with an example. Now we are going to discuss all these things which are even and which are odd. First of all, see x minus 4. We need to treat all these functions as f of x, right? And to check whether these functions as even or not, we need to find what? We need to think about f of minus x. We need to think about f of minus x, and if that f of minus x is again equals to f of x, we call it as even. If that f of minus x is equals to minus f of x, we say it as odd. In all the other cases, it is neither even nor odd. Right. So for the first function, if you replace x with minus x, it becomes minus x minus 4. Okay. Minus x minus 4. I need to express this minus x minus 4. See, is it directly equals to f of x? Exactly no. Whether it is equals to minus f of x, see minus of this f of x is, see if I write it like this, okay? Yeah, if I write by picking out minus of x plus 4 it will become, but this x plus 4 is not equals to f of x, and that's why this minus x minus 4 is not equals to f of minus x as well as is not equals to, is not equals to f of x as well as is not equals to minus f of x. And that's why we call this particular function as what? Even function, not neither even nor odd function. Okay, neither even nor odd. In the same way, we need to check all the remaining. For suppose if you wish to check sin x plus x cube, replace x with minus x. So it becomes sin of minus x plus minus x whole cube. Sin of minus x plus minus x whole cube. As you know from the trigonometry, this sin of minus x is what? Minus sin x. And minus x whole cube. This minus x whole cube is nothing but minus x cube, because minus power odd number gives you one minus x cube. Minus sin x minus x cube, when you common out minus, it becomes minus of sin x plus x cube. And we know this sin x plus x cube is what? Again f of x, and that's why this is equals to minus f of x. So f of minus x is equals to minus f of x, and that's why this function sin x plus x cube is what? Odd function, right? And then we need to think about modulus of x. See, as we are familiar with modulus of x, okay, modulus of 3 is 3, modulus of minus 3 is also 3. So modulus function always gives you positive values whether your input is positive or your input is negative. So I need to check whether it is even or not by replacing x with minus x. Modulus of minus x. Modulus of minus x is for sure equals to modulus of x. It is very clear from the definition of modulus. That modulus of x is simply equals to f of x. So f of minus x is f of x, and that's why we say this modulus of x is as even function. Okay. And the next thing is step x. So what to say about step of minus x? To check whether it is even or not, we need to replace x with minus x. Okay. So f of minus x is step of minus x. So what is the value of step of minus x? What is the value? We are not sure actually. Okay. If that x is integer, then in that case it is minus step of x. In other cases it is not equals to minus step of x. So we are not sure about x. we don't have any restriction on x. Okay, so in generally this step of minus x is not equals to either step x or not equals to either minus step x, and that's why this is again neither even nor odd function. If the question is thinking about step x for integral values of x, then we need to think in a different way. If x is integer, then step of minus x is clearly minus step x. In that case it becomes like an odd function. Okay, but here in particular this is neither even nor odd, neither even nor odd, right? Then we need to think about x cube minus 5x plus 7. How to search? Again replace x with minus x. Okay, if you replace x with minus x, yeah, this is minus x cube minus 5 into minus x plus 7. This is equals to minus x cube, okay, plus 5x plus 7. See, directly that is not equals to f of x, okay, but when you common out minus, it becomes like x cube minus 5x minus 7. This is again not equals to f of x. So that's why this f of minus x is not equals to f of x as well as not equals to minus f of x, and that's why again we say it as neither even nor odd, neither even nor odd. Then we need to think about f of x is equals to 2020. So f of x is equals to 2020 is a constant function. We need to check whether this constant function is even or odd. See, constant function in the sense, irrespective of your inputs, always the output is the same constant. Here in particular 2020. If your input is x, the output is 2020. If your input is minus x, still the output is 2020. That in the sense it is very clear that f of minus x is equals to f of x, and we say it as even function. So the constant function is even. So among those constant functions, f of x is equals to 0 in particular. We call it as a zero function. Okay, we need to discuss about it in particular. F of x is equals to 0. Right. For suppose if f of minus x, what to say about f of minus x for space, because of space I will discuss here. See, I am discussing about f of x is equals to 0, a zero function. If your input is minus x, f of minus x, still the answer is 0. This 0 can be written as either f of x or minus f of x. Both are correct, right? F of x is 0, f of minus x is also 0, minus f of x is also 0. So f of minus x, f of x minus f of x, everything are equals to 0, and that's why this is the special function which we call it as both even and odd function. Both even and odd. Okay. So if anybody asks you to give an example for both even and odd function, one and only one example is constant function, and in particular that constant is 0, or you may say it as zero function. Okay, just have a look.